Imagine stepping into a haven of tranquility. Clean lines soothe the eye, while plush textures underfoot and throws draped invitingly over furniture beckon you to unwind. This isn't a luxury spa. It's your home, transformed by the magic of warm minimalism. This design trend is taking the interior design world by storm, offering a welcome antidote to our fast-paced, clutter-free lives. But where did it come from? And why is it so popular? Warm minimalism isn't a brand new invention. It draws inspiration from the minimalist movement, which emerged in the early 20th century as a reaction to the ornate and cluttered styles of the past. Minimalism champions simplicity, clean lines, and functionality. However, some found it a bit stark and cold. Warm minimalism bridges this gap, incorporating the core principles of minimalism while infusing spaces with warmth and comfort. The influence of Japanese design philosophies like wabi-sabi, which celebrates imperfection and the beauty of natural materials, is also evident in warm minimalism. Think earthy tones, organic textures like wood and woven fibers, and a focus on creating a sense of peace and tranquility. So we find ourselves asking, why is warm minimalism experiencing such a surge in popularity? Here are a few reasons. Our lives are full of noise, both literally and figuratively. A warm minimalist space offers a refuge from the constant bombardment of digital stimulation and physical clutter. By minimalizing possessions and focusing on clean lines, this style creates a sense of calm and order. Now, while minimalism can sometimes feel stark, warm minimalism prioritizes comfort. Think plush throws, cozy rugs, and furniture that invite relaxation. This focus on luxurious textures creates a space that feels both stylish and inviting. Warm minimalism is adaptable to any space, from cozy apartments to sprawling homes. It focuses on clean lines and functionality makes it ideal for open-plan living, while the emphasis on natural materials creates a connection to the outdoors, even in urban environments. A core tenet of minimalism is mindful consumption. Warm minimalism encourages you to curate your belongings, keeping only items you truly love and use. This not only reduces clutter, but also promotes a more sustainable way of living. Intrigued by the idea of transforming your home into a chic and comfortable haven? Well, stay tuned for our practical tips and tricks to create your own warm minimalist oasis. The first step is to address the clutter. Warm minimalism isn't about bare walls and empty rooms. It's about surrounding yourself with the things you love and use. Start by tackling one room at a time. Remove anything that's broken, unused, or doesn't spark joy. Donate, sell, or recycle what you no longer need. Remember, less is truly more in warm minimalism. Think smart when you come to furniture. Invest in pieces that serve multiple purposes. Opt for a sofa bed for guest rooms, ottomans with hidden storage, or coffee tables with built-in shelves. This maximizes space and minimizes visual clutter. Natural light is a key element in warm minimalism. Maximize it by keeping windows free of obstructions and using light-colored curtains. Strategically place lamps with warm-toned bulbs to add ambience and ensure a well-lit space on those darker days. While cool neutrals can work in warm minimalism, consider incorporating earthy tones like beige, taupe, and terracotta. These colors create a sense of warmth and connect your space to the natural world. Don't be afraid to add pops of color with accent pieces like throw pillows or artwork, but keep the overall palette cohesive. Warm minimalism thrives on contrasting textures. Smooth walls with plush rugs, woven throws with sleek leather furniture, or rough wooden tables with soft linen napkins. This interplay of textures adds visual interest and depth to your space. Natural materials like wood, stone, and woven fibers create a sense of warmth and connection to nature. Incorporate these elements through furniture, decorative objects, and even plants. Living greenery not only adds a pop of color, but also purifies the air and enhances the feeling of tranquility. While warm minimalism prioritizes clean lines and functionality, it is important to inject your own personality. Display your artwork that speaks to you, add a statement piece like a vintage rug, or incorporate a unique decorative object that reflects your interest. Your warm minimalist space should be a reflection of you, not a sterile museum exhibit. Creating a warm minimalist haven is a process, not a one-time event. Enjoy the journey of curation, discovery, and transformation. As you declutter and curate, you'll discover what truly brings comfort and joy. Remember, warm minimalism is about creating a space that feels good for you, a haven of peace and tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to create your own warm minimalist oasis. With these tips and a little creativity, you can transform your own space into a haven of chic comfort that reflects your unique style. We hope you have enjoyed this exploration of warm minimalism and feel empowered to create your own cozy haven. Remember, a well-designed space can have a profound impact on your well-being. By embracing the principles of warm minimalism, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of comfort, style, and tranquility. Like and subscribe to our channel and unlock the world of amazing design possibilities. Each topic will delve into the latest trends, offer expert advice, and showcase stunning examples of beautiful and functional living spaces. Thanks for watching.